things that homeowners should be aware of, especially if they're buying or selling their homes, is their existing systems. This here existing discharge line is exposed to freezing temperatures, so if it ever were to freeze in the wintertime, the pump can't pump anymore. The power cord for the pump is a bit of a tripping hazard. The lid itself isn't a very safe lid. I know these purchasers, when they bought this house, it's one of the things they're planning of upgrading over time, and we can definitely give them a really nice system. Here we have a seepage problem coming in through the foundation wall, and a typical solution of exterior repair can be accomplished because there's a crawl space on the other side underneath the house. Here we have our water guard system that we use on interior drainage control systems. We basically jackhammer out a 6-inch wide trench. The water guard is installed so it goes in below the top of the slab. We put some gravel in and then re-concrete over top of it so that any seepage water coming in is collected underneath the slab and drains over towards the sump pump. One of the things I really like about our water guard system, which is why I can offer a lifetime transferable warranty on it, is that it's a non-clogging system. When it's installed on the inside of a foundation, it's completely surrounded by concrete. The seepage water that's coming into the basement through the footing joint is clean. It doesn't have any dirt or debris to end up clogging the water guard system, unlike an exterior job. So we can put it in, the seepage water comes in underneath the footing slab joint and gets into the water guard system through the holes, collects in here, and drains over towards the sump pump. We also have wall drainage, so here we have this wall crack that instead of having to try and seal, we can cover it up, let the water drain at the very lowest point and into the water guard. When we're dealing with interior or exterior drainage systems, we always have to make sure the water can flow to the lowest point. If it's an interior system, or sometimes even exterior systems, we need to put a sump pump in for the water to flow downhill too. That's the key with any system, making sure that the water flows downhill. Here's our sump pump system. This is our standard super sump with a battery backup system. So there's 2 pumps in there so that if there's a power failure, the homeowner will still have a dry basement. Great little system. It's very clean, it's neat, it's sealed, airtight. There's a floor drain built into it, along with a high water alarm. A really great way of taking care of basements and making sure they stay dry. Whenever we're installing an interior drainage system, we always need to put some form of drainage membrane on the foundation wall so that any dampness, seepage, water wicking, capillary action, any type of moisture coming through that foundation wall is contained behind our drainage membrane and can flow down into the water guard system. See how it's installed here. We have the flange of the water guard up against the membrane, and now it's going to be sealed so that any vapor can't escape out of there, and any seepage water, hydrostatic pressure, is collected by the water guard system and drains over towards the sump pump. Here we have our external discharge system for the sump pump on the inside. The ice guard system is designed so if the 4-inch PVC pipe that we tie into ever clogs up, then the water can just discharge and collect on the ground and drain away from the foundation.